Hi and welcome into this new video. Today it's a recipe video and I'm gonna show you how to make healthy nuggets with only 3 ingredients. They look just like this. They're perfect. Show you the inside. They look like this from inside and they taste just so good. And you guys need to try this recipe. I just eat them and they taste just so good. It's only 3 ingredients that I'm sure you already have at home. It makes less than 30 minutes to be made. It's 20 minutes of cooking. It's just so easy. And if you want to lose fat and build muscles, you need to increase your protein intake. So instead of going and buy some pre-made unhealthy nuggets, you make yours at home, and I'm gonna show you how in this video. So we have egg, organic ground chicken that I get from Nutritious, and some shredded mozzarella cheese. I like this brand. I always got this brand. And the spices of your choice. If you want spicy nuggets, you have some spice, some hot sauce. If you want something more savory, you can add some garlic, onion powder, like anything you want as a seasoning. So we're gonna start the recipe now. I start by preheat my oven at 375 and I'm using my food processor for this recipe. I'm adding all the ingredients in, so the ground chicken, the cheese, and also the egg, and of course I'm adding some seasoning. So I get this blend Cajun seasoning from New Orleans when I went a few months ago, so I like to put it on a couple of my recipes. And of course I add salt and pepper, and I blend everything well, just as you see in the video. I want it to be smooth but not too liquidy, so I'm not blending it for too long. Then in a pan with parchment paper, I just put the dough on it. I'm trying to make some nuggets shape. I'm using a big spoon and a smaller spoon, just as you see in the video. Then I make sure to make them evenly, like it's the same size. And here how it's supposed to look like. Now they are going in the oven at 375 for 15-20 minutes. Nuggets are ready, so we're gonna take them out of the oven and we're gonna just let them rest a little bit before we are able to eat them. And they look just like this. So that's the end of this video. That was a quick and easy recipe. Only 3 ingredients is being needed. I hope you guys did enjoy watching that video. Hope you're gonna make your own nuggets at home. As always, you can keep enjoying the food that you like if you make sure to choose the right ingredients. I hope you guys gonna like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Everything's gonna be on the descriptions box below. Please check the link if you want a coaching with me, get my ebooks and my free guides. Please don't hesitate, and I will see you again for our next video. Bye.